Hello, new U.S. history students, and welcome to the U.S. history course. This is Mrs. Thomas. I'm going to be walking you through what you'll be focusing on today, which is March 3rd, and tomorrow, which is March 4th. Coming in as a new student, you are probably most concerned with what do I need to do and what am I responsible for and how do I use the course. So that's what we're going to focus on the next couple of days. You're going to be starting in week 7 of the course. And in week 7, that will begin on March 7th. You're going to be excused from all work in the course prior to that time period. So weeks 1 through 6, you will not have to complete any work and you will see an exempt in your grade book. You do not, that indicates that you do not have to do it and it's not calculated into your grade. You do need to complete the new student quiz. That is found in the new student orientation folder. It is due by tomorrow, March 4th by 3 p.m. That's when we would like to have you complete it. So we're going to walk you through the course and show you where the new student orientation folder is. And we're going to have you go through these specific items. When you go into the course, and I'll show you in a moment, you're going to click on New Student Orientation. You're going to watch the U.S. History Overview video that is right here. You're going to read through course materials. You're going to click on the googly eyes, read the course syllabus, what you really need to know, go through all the course policies, the how-to documents, and take a look at your online textbook. Actually, knowing the title of the online textbook is one of your new student quiz questions. So that will help you get a start with one of the questions. Once you have watched the video and gone through the course materials items, you want to make sure that you're going through and completing all of the items on the bulleted point list here. You want to make sure that you're taking a look at the U.S. History to-do list announcements on the course homepage. You want to read over the course syllabus and items in the course materials, course overview, teacher contact information, grading and late policies, and academic integrity, which is all within here, this area that I just pointed out. You can sign up for notifications in the how-to documents and videos folder right here. It will show you how to sign up for notifications in email or on your phone to give you reminders that things are due or opening in the course. And then you can open the online textbook, as we mentioned right here. And once you've done all of this and watched the video, you should be set to do the new student quiz, the new student quiz Q3 version, which is right underneath the video. So let's go to the course and show you what this looks like. When you come to the U.S. History course, for my students, you will see U.S. History with Mrs. Thomas, Spring 2022. If Mrs. Force is using this to show to her new students for this week, you will see a different title up here. It will be for Mrs. Force, but everything else is set up the same. Once you come in here, you are going to go into the Content tab. Once you click on the Content tab, it will load and you will see right at the top here, New Student Orientation. That's what you want to click on with this little thumbtack. When you scroll down, this is where you'll see that U.S. History Overview video. And again, this is the course materials area where you're going to go down this column, read through everything, and get yourself prepared to then take the new student quiz, which is right under the U.S. History Overview video in New Student Orientation. Now, I thought while we were going over where things are in the course and giving you this overview, I do know that the U.S. History Overview video will go through and show you where things are, but I did want to point a couple of key things out. First of all, we have arranged the course by week. You'll notice in the Content tab that we're currently in, the current week of the course is all the way at the top. We're in week 6. This is February 28th to the 4th. You'll notice that it also tells you when this work will lock. That is usually true of any assignment within that week, except for the weekly quiz. Quizzes cannot be open for more than around 24 hours or so. So they are locking the day that they are due. So make sure you're aware of that difference. When you open up a week, you'll notice there's week resources right at the top. And those resources will always provide you a location of where the study guide is. The study guide itself is a series of questions that allows you to kind of formulate and organize your notes throughout the week. If you answer those questions on the study guide as we go through lessons throughout the week, you will be prepared to take the quiz at the end of the week. Now, we don't collect the study guide and we don't give credit for it, but if you are doing the study guide, you're going to be very prepared for the quiz, and you are allowed to use the study guide while you are taking the quiz. So it is incredibly helpful. Once you are in the course and you get to the week that you're looking at, you'll notice that we also have it divided out with the week 6 resources. We have additional resources, any other websites or links that we think might help you with the topics for the week. And then we have each day of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. They're all structured the same. If we look at Thursday for March 3rd, which is today, you will see that slides for live session are right here. Okay, so any slides that we are using in class, such as today's lesson, you'll see that they are linked there and you can access those if you need to. And you'll see that they are exactly the ones that we use in class. So that is where the live session slides are within the course. You will be reminded at the start of every class to make sure that you are downloading both your study guide here from the week 6 resources and that you are getting your slides for the live session. If there is an assignment assigned that day, you will click on the assignment folder and find it there. For today, there is not one. The textbook pages, if there is any textbook reading, you will click here. And if there's any online lesson content in which you can read to help you with the understanding of the material, you will find it there. And for this particular lesson today, there are some, so you'll see them located here. Now, again, you are not completing any work for week 6. The other students are. You will be starting in week 7, and on Monday, week 7 will be up here at the top. But you are, at this time, just working on the new student quiz. If you have any questions after watching this video while we are in class, you may certainly stay after class to ask. Any questions that you do have, this is just intended as an overview for you to get started on your first assignment in class today. Good luck and thanks for being here. We're happy to have you.